Hello and welcome to the Kyndryl Pavilion, coming to you right here at the India AI Impact Summit 2026. Right now, we're going to talk to the top leadership from the Kyndryl team to learn all about their exciting innovations showcased right here at the summit and much more. So joining me now is Gitanjali Gaur, Social Impact Leader, Kyndryl India, and Vikram Verma, Associate Director, Environmental Management at Kyndryl. Welcome. Thank you both so much for talking to us. We're so excited to be here today.
Same here. Thank you.
So nice to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Yeah.
having us.
Thank you for having us here at your pavilion. And before we kickstart, I think we're here at a very opportune spot as we can see your AI for sustainability and social impact. I'd love to understand just at the get-go, what does this really mean for Kyndryl and why is this such an important messaging that's coming through at the summit this year?
So sustainability has been a part of Kyndryl from whenever it got started. So we were born with the sustainability thought with us, and we understand the nature our planet is in, and it's the responsibility of everyone, each one of us. So that's how we started with it, and then we are also being technology leaders. We also want to bring the technology expertise for our customers as they are also in the same race and the same objective.
Sure. Okay, wonderful. So, Gitanjali, let's get deeper into this. What would you say is a top messaging that you're really looking to put forward to our viewers, to the audience here at the summit when it comes to the social aspect and the CSR aspect?
So, using this platform, this summit, I want to ensure that all the right stakeholders, be it external, internal, especially external stakeholders, they should get a message from social impact side that Kyndryl is committed to empower communities through our skilling initiatives in AI. And we will reach out to youth. We will ensure that youth will be trained, and we will reach out to the students. We will ensure that we should not leave out any key stakeholder. We should, as I said earlier, AI for us is like AI for all. It's inclusive.
Wonderful. Well, thank you both of you for taking the time out to show us through your wonderful pavilion. All the very best for the entire summit. It's going to be a great one, surely, for everyone showcasing here and all the delegates. And yeah, look forward to catching up with you in some time.
Thank you for having
Thank you
us.
very much.
Thank you.
Lovely meeting you. Thanks.